Good day. Welcome to a new week. How was your week last week? How was your mind? Were you able to put your mind together concerning achieving your goals for 2021 for the second half? I hope you were able to do that. This is your homeboy Tayo Oni with Business Time Out on Insidekano TV. Now today, very quickly, I want us to just look at how do I develop my mind to be able to achieve my business goals. As an entrepreneur, what do I need to do to get my mind in place, to get my mind in a position of success? Number one thing I need you to do is to get information. Get information about the business you want to do. Get information about that project. Get tangible information. Do a research on it. Go online. Thank God for Google today. You can practically get any answer you want to any question. Get information. Information helps you to build your mind. It helps you to prepare your mind because you're able to learn what other people you're able to have done concerning what you want to do. That leads me to the second way of developing your mind. Get a mentor. Or get someone who has done what you want to do. Get someone who has gone through that path. Get someone who has had that kind of experience before, and then speak with them. Have a heart-to-heart talk with them. Let them be able to give you from their own experience what it looks like, what it feels like to be doing what you want to do. That will help prepare your mind for some challenges that might come your way. Now, the third thing you need to do is you need to learn to sit down and think. Let me say that again. Learn to sit down and think. Think about what you want to do. Plan it in your mind. Imagine how it will look like in your mind. Once you are doing that, you will discover that your mind will begin to expand. Your mind will begin to see things that probably you would never have seen before. Your mind will be able to get ready will be strengthened to overcome challenges that you would meet during your journey in that business venture. Now, these are three things I want you to look at. One, get information. Information will go a long way in helping to develop your mind. Two, get a mentor. Get someone, a teacher, an instructor that has gone through what you want to go through. And three, sit down and think. Till we see again next week, keep on being the best you can be. Ciao.